My name is Sisong Akpanodo, and I'll be demonstrating the steps I took to create the VM for my final project. So the purpose was to create a Windows Server 2025 data center virtual machine to serve as the domain controller for the Ensign Student Success Center environment. This VM will host Active Directory, DNS, and all required roles and configuration for this project. So the steps I took was to go to Azure and create a VM. As you can see here, I selected Windows Server 2025 Data Center Azure Edition as my operating system. You can see here the size, standard D to SV3. The RAM size was 8 gig, and I used them two CPUs, and I also enabled the RDP port for remote management, and I completed it and I connected via RDP. So as you can see here, this is my servers 2025, and this is the domain and sign success, and the remote desktop is enabled, and you can see here that the Active Directory has been installed, the DNS has been installed. You come to Tools, Active Directory Users and Computers, click here. In Active Directory Users and Computers, this is my domain already, so I created a top level organizational unit, which is Student Success Center. Inside Student Success Center, we have users, we have groups, we have computers. So inside the users, we have advisors, sub organizational unit, and manager. In the advisors, we have five advisor one, two, three, four, five. Manager, we have just the center manager, and the last one here, admin, was created directly under the domain. We have backup.admin user, and if you come here, the security groups, we have as the Student Success Center Advisor Security Group, SSC All Staff, SSC Manager. In the SSC All Staff, you can advisor, you can see the members of the group, which the group policy will be applied to in this group. You come to All Staff, the members is all the advisors and the center manager. Come to manager, members here, as you can see, it's just the center manager. So after that, I created a shared folder directory, was in the server in the C directory in the Windows shared folder. In the shared folder, I created two subfolders: admin report and advising documents. In the admin report, we have the file admin report text file. In the advising, we have the final advising text file. So the NFT permissions for the admin report and the shared path. This is the shared path and the NFT permission. You come to security. The manager only has the permission to read and write, and he's the only one that has the permission in this group. If you come to advising both the manager, this is the sharing path, both the manager and the advisors has the permission to read and write. Then after that, I also did the group policy management. Come here, group policy management. So the first group policy management I did was the staff accesses staff desktop policy. So the purpose was to standardize the desktop background and home page for all Success Student Center staff. So and link it directly to the users. So how I did this was under the student center, you come here, users. This is the policy which I enforced. So how I did this was right click, edit, come to user configuration, policies, administrative templates, desktop, desktop. As you can see here, the desktop here is already enabled. Desktop wallpaper is enabled. So this is it, it's enabled. Now this is the name here, and this is the part the setting is filled. So after that, you click OK, you apply, and you click OK. So I also did the home page. So how I did the home page was same user configure. You come to the user configuration, but you choose preferences, control panel settings. You come to internet settings, Internet Explorer, and as you can see, this is the home page www.ensign.edu information technology. As the home page starts, whenever the browser starts with the home page, and this is the page that is going to show. So the next policy I did was the enforce strong password policy, which was directly under linked direct to the domain. So I also enforced it. Since I also enforced it, so how I did it was I clicked on edit, click on edit, come to computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings, come over here to account policies, password policy. As you can see, I password must meet the complexity requirement. I enabled it. Password minimum length 12 character. I also configured the enforced password history to 24 password remembered. So the purpose of doing this was to enforce strong password for all accounts in the system. So I also did group policy for computer auditing policy. So this is it, auditing policy. I did that. Was this was done. Let me not do it here. Let me do it here for better understanding. It was done under student success center computer. It was also enforced. So you right click, edit, computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings. You come over here, advanced audit, advanced audit. Come here, open. As you can see, the logon, logo has been configured. You click here, you see there is audit logon success, log of success, audit logon success and failure. Come over to object access. This is it, success. So this is how I basically configured my VM to meet all the project's requirements, the rubric. And so far, this has been a very, very impactful project, which I've learned so much. Thank you.